That PPM file is a portable Pixmap image, color raster data stored in the beautifully simple Netpbm format that prioritizes readability over compression. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view, convert, or process these color image files. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the PPM file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. PPM files are color raster images in the Portable Pixmap format, part of the Netpbm family. They store RGB pixel color values and are widely used in image processing research, computer vision applications, and scientific visualization due to their simple uncompressed format. PPM files use either ASCII P3 or binary P6 format, with a header containing magic number width, height, and maximum color value, followed by RGB triplet pixel data. They support bit depths up to 16 bits per channel and are designed for simplicity and cross-platform portability. The operating system preferentially attempts to open PPM using GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program, from the GIMP development team. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows handles display duties well, but editing tasks belong in specialized image editors. The first action is to find a successful opener, right-click the PPM file and click Open with. Test GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program, if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option in the list. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these three crucial steps for error isolation. First, viewing the image. Open the PPM file in IrfanView, GIMP XNView, or ImageMagick Display. On Linux, most image viewers, including Eye of Gnome and Fe, support PPM natively. The Netpbm format family is universally supported across scientific and image processing software tools. Next, converting to PNG or JPEG. Use ImageMagick from the command line by running convert input du PPM output PNG for lossless conversion or convert input, PPM output JPG for compressed output. In GIMP use, file then, export as and select PNG or JPEG format with your desired quality settings. Finally, processing in code. PPM files are ideal for programmatic image processing. Read P6 binary PPM files in Python using Imagio or PIL. The simple header format makes manual parsing straightforward in any language. Use OpenCVMRead to load PPM files directly into arrays for computer vision applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.